If you're trying to figure out whether a girl sees you as an alpha, there are some key signs to look out for. It's not just about being bold or loud, it's about how you carry yourself and the way she responds to you. In this video, we'll go through 5 clear signs, starting with the more subtle ones and building up to the most obvious ones. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tell if a girl views you as the leader she's drawn to. These signs can be easy to miss if you don't know what to look for, but once you see them, they'll be hard to ignore. Stick around to the end, because the last sign is the most powerful one, and you'll definitely want to know it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips to level up your game. Let's get started and find out if she really sees you as the alpha. Number 5. The magnetic presence. One of the most noticeable signs a girl sees you as an alpha is your magnetic presence. This doesn't mean you have to be the loudest person in the room or be the center of attention all the time, but you certainly stand out. People are drawn to you without you even having to try. A girl will notice how others react to you, how easily you command attention without needing to force it. When you walk into a room, heads turn. You don't need to shout or make a scene for people to recognize you. Your presence is enough to demand respect and admiration. This comes from the confidence you exude without saying a word. Your body language is a huge part of this magnetic presence. Standing tall, making eye contact, and keeping your posture strong are all things that contribute to the energy you give off. You naturally attract people because you project an aura of assurance. A girl who sees you as an alpha will be more likely to gravitate towards you in social settings because she feels that confidence and strength. When she notices you commanding attention, she might start mirroring your body language or even trying to get closer to you. This is a big sign that she views you as someone who holds authority and influence, someone who stands out in any crowd. Number 4. The power move eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of communication. When a girl sees you as an alpha, the way she looks at you changes. It's not just a casual glance or a quick look away. It's intense, engaging, and sometimes lingering. She won't shy away from making strong, direct eye contact with you because she recognizes your presence as someone worth noticing. This form of communication can say so much without any words spoken. When a girl looks into your eyes and holds that gaze, it's a sign of respect and interest. She's telling you that she acknowledges your strength and confidence, and she's not intimidated by it. Instead, she's drawn to it. Alpha males don't need to look around nervously or avoid eye contact. They know the power of their gaze, and they use it to make a lasting impression. If she maintains eye contact longer than usual or smiles as she looks at you, it's a clear indication that she feels comfortable and intrigued by you. She sees you as someone who is in control and knows it. If you notice her quickly glancing at you during conversations or locking eyes in a crowded room, it's a sign. She's acknowledging your presence and sees you as someone who holds an alpha status. Number 3. The protective instinct. When a girl sees you as an alpha, she will naturally feel protected by you. But this doesn't just mean physical protection. An alpha male is someone who makes others feel safe, whether emotionally, mentally, or physically. This protective instinct kicks in when she feels she can trust you and rely on you for support. An alpha male will instinctively take charge in situations where protection is needed. This could mean stepping in when someone is disrespectful to her, defending her when she's being overlooked, or simply offering support when she needs it most. She'll notice this strength and presence, and it will only increase her attraction to you. However, this protection isn't just about being there for her in dangerous situations. It's also about being emotionally present. When she's feeling vulnerable or uncertain, an alpha male will know how to comfort her without being overbearing. He provides stability and reassurance, and this is something a girl deeply values in a potential partner. She will feel safe around you because she knows you are capable, reliable, and strong, not just in the physical sense, but emotionally and mentally as well. This protection fosters a deeper connection and will make her see you as someone who can handle challenges, both big and small. Number 2. The subtle flirting game. Flirting is a natural part of human interaction, but when a girl sees you as an alpha, she engages with you in a unique way. She'll often flirt with you in subtle, more sophisticated manners rather than overtly trying to get your attention. This is a sign she views you as someone worthy of her attention and interest. Her flirting may come in the form of playful teasing, inside jokes, or light touches. She won't need to make grand gestures to grab your attention. She'll know that you already see her, and that's enough. The way she flirts shows she's comfortable around you and feels safe enough to show her playful side. You'll notice that she doesn't overdo it. She might make eye contact, smile more, or find excuses to be around you, but it's all done in a way that feels effortless and natural. This kind of flirting is a subtle way of showing attraction without being too forward. She's showing that she respects your status and doesn't feel the need to be overly obvious with her intentions. When a girl is confident in her flirting style around you, it's a clear sign that she sees you as the alpha. She knows you're aware of her interest, and she's comfortable expressing it in a way that feels both fun and confident. Number 1. The confident body language. The way a girl interacts with you physically says a lot about how she views you. If she sees you as an alpha, her body language will speak volumes. She'll be drawn to you because of your own confident body language, and in turn, she'll mirror some of your actions. This can include maintaining good posture, leaning in when you speak, and mirroring your movements, all of which indicate a strong attraction and respect for your presence. An alpha male carries himself with strength and assurance, and the girl who is into you will start to mimic these cues without even thinking about it. She may mirror your posture, cross her legs in the same direction you do, or even match your tone of voice. This is a subconscious way for her to connect with you and show that she sees you as a confident, dominant figure. She won't shrink back or act small around you. Instead, she'll match your energy and hold her ground, giving off signals of mutual respect and admiration. If you notice her becoming more confident around you, or if she seems to take more risks with her actions or words, it's a good sign that she sees you as an alpha. Now that you know the signs a girl sees you as an alpha, it's clear that these behaviors aren't just random. They're powerful clues that she's definitely into you. Whether it's the way she makes eye contact or how she subtly flirts with you, these signs show that she's drawn to your confidence and strength. But keep in mind, the key to all of this is being authentic. You can't fake the qualities that make you an alpha. It's about being real and confident in who you are. The more you focus on the things that make you stand out, the more natural it will feel. It's not about putting on a show, but instead, owning who you are and letting that energy speak for itself. If you pay attention to these signs, you'll see them showing up in your interactions, and you'll know for sure where you stand. But here's the thing, spotting these signs is just the beginning. Now it's your turn to build on them. What will you do with the knowledge you've gained? Will you keep being the confident, magnetic person you are? Or will you let these moments slip by without recognizing their power? If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on more insights that can help you level up your game and understand the signals people are sending you. Share this with anyone who needs to understand how to be their best self and get more content that shows you how to grow in confidence and attraction. See you in the next video.